Welcome, students. How are you? Are you prepared to learning? Yeah. In this class, I am going to explain atmospheric refraction and the phenomenon based on the atmospheric refraction. It is secret, all of you, how stars are twinkling, why at the time of sunset and sunrise sun appears red. Okay, these are the topics for this class. Okay, first of all, I explain here what is the atmospheric refraction. Our atmosphere is ranges up to 500 kilometer from the surface of the earth, and this atmosphere is divided into many layers like lithospheres, mesospheres, stratospheres, ionospheres, etc. Okay, due to the temperature difference, the different layer of the earth atmosphere behaves as a different optical densities, and hence their refractive indexes are different to each other. So atmospheric refraction is happened. That means the refraction of light caused by the earth atmosphere is called atmospheric refraction. That means the refraction which is happened, which is occurred due to the different layer of the earth's atmosphere is called atmospheric refraction. It is very important phenomenon for all of us, like the duration of day is increased by 4 minutes due to effect of atmospheric refraction. At the time of sunrise, it increases by 2 minutes, and at the time of sunset, it increased by 2 minutes. That's why the length of the day increased by 4 minutes due to the effect of atmospheric refraction. Some phenomena that are based on the atmospheric refraction, which is known as applications of atmospheric refraction. Okay, common atmospheric refraction are twinkling of stars. All of you observe the sky like that, and we observe and you feel some stars are blinking. What is the cause behind it? Why stars appear in blinking position? It is the natural phenomenon. Okay, students, all of you know that stars are located in finite distance, very large distance from the surface of the earth. The rays of light which are coming from the stars entering in the earth atmosphere, they have to travel different layers of the earth's atmosphere and gets refracted again and again. Okay, and some rays of light which are coming from the stars after refraction sometimes lies on our eyes and sometimes it does not lie on our eye. Hence, sometimes stars are observed by the eyes and sometimes not. Due to this reason, stars appears in twinkling positions. Okay, stars are appears in twinkling position. Okay, another one is the stars seem higher than they actually are. When we observe the stars, it appears more distant than actual it is located. The reason behind it is, suppose an observer's eye is located at point A. Okay, he observes the stars, the rays of light which are coming from the stars in bend position, but our line of sight is not cut. Our line of sight is always in a straight. So when the observer observed this star, then this star appears at point C in place of point B, and you can guess the distance from AB is less the distance between AC. Due to this reason, the star appears more distant than actually it is located. It is also the phenomenon based on the atmospheric refraction. Okay, that means in this phenomenon, our atmosphere most important and takes part a important role. Okay, and another common application based on the atmospheric refraction is, all of you observe that at the time of sunset and the sunrise, sun is in red position. Do you know why? The reason behind it is atmospheric refraction. Okay, suppose this is our earth and it is the observer's eye. When the sun is below the origin, then the rays of light coming from it is in curved position, but observer's eye has not ability to see the object in curved position. It has ability to see only in a straight line position because our line of sight is in a straight path. Okay, due to this reason, the rays coming from the actual sun which is located at point A is not appear at point A. It appears at point B because when observer observed it, then it appears at point B. That means at the time of sunrise, we observe the sphere of the huge sun is not actual sun. It is the apparent sun. It is the image of the sun which appears in the sky 2 minutes before, and like that at the time of sunset the sun is down, sun is set, then 2 minutes it appears in the horizon. That's why the length of the day increased at 2 minutes at the sunrise and 2 minutes at the sunset. Okay, that means length of the days increased 4 minutes due to the atmospheric refraction. That means due to the atmospheric refraction, sun appears advanced and appears to sink delayed. Okay, in this way we all are discuss here what is the atmospheric refraction and what is its application. Now in next class I will teach you a scattering of light and best the applications on the scattering of light. Till thank you. Have a nice day.